Hey guys, I'm going back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we are actually talking about a new phone that just came out on Boost Mobile, guys. So just announced, this is the LG Tribute Monarch. So it's pretty cool. I would say for budget friendly, it's definitely gonna be budget friendly. Just looking at the price that they currently have it, and of course, Boost Mobile always comes out with the savings. So of course, right now it's actually $40 off. But as you can see, this is a new lineup of the LG Tribute Monarch as well. It looks very familiar to an LG K8X. Some other carriers are having that just came out as well, so it's very enticing. But like I said, this is the LG Tribute Monarch, and like I said, with Boost Mobile, it is $40 off right now, so it does retail for $109.99. I always round it up if you guys know me, so I would say it's $110, but right now you can save $40 and get it for only $70 or $69.99, which for a budget phone, and that's a pretty good price actually. So as you can see, there's the Boost Mobile logo right there with the new, now that it's under Dish Network. So yeah, let's get into it and see what this phone has to offer. So first we'll start with looking at the phone. It does have a teardrop notch. I'm not going to expect too much wild specs from it, but there's a power button right here on the right. There's a volume up, volume down, and then that looks like it's going to be your Google Assistant button on that bottom, which I actually use a lot. I actually enjoy that feature. So here's the side picture here, as you can see. So there's the phone, not bad at all. So pretty decent. The back's where you'll see a lot of features with the more expensive LG series. So this one does have a dual camera. It looks probably gonna be one a main, one maybe a depth or ultra wide camera. We'll know in just a little bit. And then of course there's the flash. You do have a fingerprint sensor in the back as well, and LG logo on the bottom. So overall, pretty cool, I would say. So let's get into it. It says, stand up and defy convention. The LG Tribute Monarch will guide your way. Everything you can need to live extraordinary is in the palm of your hand. Watch videos on a big, vivid screen. Wow. So right there, it's going to tell you can have a big screen. Capture beautiful photos using dynamic dual cameras. Keep your memories close with expandable on-device storage. You have the essentials plus so much more. Dare to be exceptional with LG. Wow. Of course, this device is compatible with the expanded network that Boost Mobile now is offering, which is basically the T-Mobile network. It does have a 5.7-inch screen, 13 megapixel camera, 17 hours of talk time, which is, I think, is kind of low actually. So I'm not guessing the batteries could be, it's going to be somewhere in the 2000 range. It does have 32 gigs of internal storage, which is great, and it does have Android 10. So it says room to see and swipe. Like I said, this is a 5.7-inch HD plus full vision display, probably going to be a 720 display, notch display. Immerse yourself in vivid colors and crisp imagery, and easy toggle between apps and devices at that's nearly all screen. Wow. So this does have a 13 megapixel rear camera. Oh, there we go, with a face detection autofocus for extra quick capture. Wow. So okay, wow, it's actually pretty big. So I don't know why the talk time's that low, but you have a 2,890 milliamp battery, so it says all charged up. It says take photos, watch movies, and stay social. A robust 2890 milliamp battery provides dependable and impressive power for capturing, watching, and sharing. So well, that's kind of right. I guess in the 2000 range, but it's in the upper 2000 range. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, I do like that. It is with expanded network. I believe all the new Boost Mobile phones are coming out will be able to access the T-Mobile network. So just check your coverage, which a lot of people would say, of course, T-Mobile is a lot faster than Sprint. So overall, it's a decent battery, I would say. So let's look at the specs. So here we go. We'll get the full specs here. So as you can see, it's a 2,890 milliamp battery, talk time up to 17 hours. The battery is non-removable, so yeah, you won't be able to replace battery on it. So you can see here's where we really start to see the price point of this phone. It's 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage, which is good. They could have cheaped out and put a 16 gig memory, but in 2020 that's not a good choice. You can't put up to expandable up to a 32 gigabyte memory card. So I mean, you know, you can put technically 64 gigs in this phone, but we know that doesn't really work out all the time. Does have a MediaTek Helio P22 2.0 gigahertz octa-core processor. Does have Android 10, which is pretty cool. Like I said, here's the, like I was saying earlier, it's a wide angle. So it's a 13 megapixel PDAF plus 5 megapixel wide angle rear facing camera with a 5 megapixel front facing camera with portrait mode. So you do get portrait mode. Of course, you're not going to get the best quality since it's only a 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel wide and a 5 megapixel front display, which is probably the top selling thing about this phone. It's a 5.7 inch HD plus full vision notch display. It's a 19:9 ratio, so that's pretty good. So if you're like watching a lot of movies or videos, you know, just Facebook, Instagram, you'll handle that stuff fine. So it's pretty good. And there's dimensions. Does have Bluetooth 5.0, and it is a USB. Well, it says USB cable. Doesn't say if it's Type C or anything like that. But at this price, it's very hard to kind of see too many bad things about it. Like I said, it's under $100. It's really under $70 or $80. So it's a very low range price phone. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to go ahead and unbox this phone for you guys, maybe do a review, gaming review, and really push this phone to its limits and see what it has to offer. So I think it's pretty cool. So, you know, we'll see. And I actually want to test out the expanded data network as well and see if it's good or anything like that. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. So like I said, let me know in the comments below what you think about this phone. And like I said, you know, it's a cheap budget phone, but hey, you know, it should get the job done. But we'll test that out later. So thank you.